So I gave you put it in pretty tight.
Yeah, it's easier when it's tight. I'm not sure if it'll cooperate. I just forgot mine.
Persuasion tool?
Yes, yes. That would be that name for it. Oh, now I really want to get a hammer with that engraved on it.
You want to put a screw in there to hold it, or let me come over?
It's only tight where we need it at. Persuader.
In the middle.
Okay. In the middle, on top of the line. A little low. Hopefully it doesn't all fall out like that.
Well, I'm getting paid, hopefully. If it did fall out, I could find it.
For this one.
Very top.
Very top?
Top down. Show a different way. I'm running with the porch. Which, by the way, we got to raise this up and put a piece of
block
concrete underneath it.
Your bit's in there.
Oh, it's be a lot easier than just pointing. What the hell are you talking about?
Yeah, he's not real good with that sign language. He knows number one and all that kind of thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty good with that one. Pretty big gap. Supposed to be at the top, or?
Yeah. Yeah, I make a mistake on that too. Hold it. Yeah, I made a mistake. Total length, we gotta raise that up.
Listen.
No.
Oh.
I didn't get this high enough, we gotta raise it up. I meant for it to come up some, but I think we're going to recut this one.
Ah,
I don't
okay.
like how I've done it. So let's go over there to that one.
Right.
This is 25 and a half, and it should have been 35 and a half.
10 inches different.
28 and 7 8 and a half, 7, 8. That should have been 30. That's my mistake. That's a math problem. I cut off the wrong piece. This is exactly the size I need. So I am never going to say I'm perfect.
Well, at least you got the extra piece, so. That doesn't happen very often. As soon as I drop it, I catch it.
Really not very good.
No, it has no magnetic. Are you still putting a 2x6 over the top of it?
Yeah. I can cut those right now if you want. Go ahead and fasten that.
That's a quick battery.
Cold. Lithium ion is just not as good as the other one. It is running downhill, but the porch is running downhill. We're going to raise it up a little bit. May end up having to, we'll see,
Notch it.
notch it so I could 45, that'd be kind of silly. Yeah, go ahead and fasten that. Center it up on that 2x4.
Yeah.
gonna be taking lunch.
Yay! I'm hungry. On the video, I think I said I'm hungry 3 times.
I mean, they'll get the hint. I might not.
I've locked into where it's gonna be.
Well, screws out this. We can fix
Pull that out.
fix my screw up. On the other side, or?
Got one on this side. 2 on this side. I wanted to make sure it wasn't going.
You did a good job. Now it's gonna go somewhere. All pretty, but it don't fit this.
Rail system. Yeah, one little area. I pulled that whole pile of screws out. If you wish.
It is a level. Actually, a lot of time the old timers call it whiskey stick.
A whiskey?
It's because it has alcohol in it to keep it from freezing.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Grab the whiskey stick.
Right. That's what a lot of old timers I worked with called it. And they had on their mind it wasn't eating. If he ends up hurting himself, we'll go to the hospital with the camera on.
I think I'm going to have to be working at it to hurt myself without having to go to the hospital with a screw gun.
Yeah, you got this strap stuck in your...
Yes. My arm slipped and...
When you cut it down, I will. But I go from the sides, so those short ones will give you much room. Yeah, let me cut... I can cut that off. Check the other one, see if it fits. Could be a 1/16 inch or 8-inch difference. Oh, okay. Alright, cut that. I can cut it short, but I can't make it longer.
Well, this one works for the top one. And are we putting all those stiles back up?
Yeah, we're gonna cut them in 2. That's one of the... We're gonna go lunch first.
Okay.
Since you mentioned hungry 3 times.
I mean, I can start making blues music.
When I cruise. Starting to sound like the guy on Sesame Street. Junction. There's a lot of guys in construction that know Sesame Street. Because they get up because the kids have to get up. And they just get high and drunk watching Sesame Street. And they know Sesame Street. Big Bird is a hero.
Oh, really?
In Orlando, they had encephalitis.
Uh-huh.
And I started telling all the guys it's called snuffleupagus.
Okay.
And it's stuck. Guys, they get a snuffleupagus shot. Don't want to get snuffleupagus. It's a big purple beast or whatever it was.
Uh-huh.
Yep. We're spraying for snuffleupagus.
So how come we didn't notch those once a go around the 4x4?
I don't think it would help a whole lot. We could.
I mean, I don't really, it doesn't look bad that way. It was just a curiosity that occurred to me.
We could have.
Does not. Take it off and skip lunch for longer.
Go buy 2 more boards, because those I can't make longer. I can put little pieces on the sides of it.
Wouldn't look any different. Just
No, not from a distance anyway.
Clay's working on his fursuit today.
If they're even started.
Yeah, that's right. They don't start till like noon.
Maybe.
My finger got really scared.
I have to measure it.
Okay, I was pretty good with that. Should be 2 inches on the boat. You're on the 4x4. Sit down.
Where you support yourself. Where you sit.
Damn screw tip. Or where your coffee cup would. Yeah, it looks a lot better. I like it a lot more than what we came up here with.
42 inches. If it went from ground to whatever, it'd be right there. It'd be right in your way to go. Y'all stay where I can.